Hey, you want to hear this nylon string acoustic electric guitar that I made? So do I. If you want to see how I built it, I have some other videos about that you can go check out. But if you want to just hear it, this is your chance. I brought it home to my home studio and I re-recorded an old song I wrote called Pretty Noises using this guitar. If you listen in headphones, the left ear is this guitar and a condenser mic, and then the right ear is this guitar plugged in through my pedal board with just a little bit of reverb and a little bit of delay. Then I also have another track that gets added at the end with some distortion plugged in. So let's have a listen.
Who really cares about the pretty noises of car alarms and morning birds singing their song? And who really cares if I can write about them, assemble chords and melodies on this guitar? It used to be I'd sing and swear my awkward thoughts into the air to the echo of silent applause. No longer so. Now I'm gonna break the rules of music composition with lots of chords and narrow market vision. And every sound I hear is sweet music to my ears. About the buzzing lampposts, crackling leaves, or windswept trees singing along. Door stoppers buzzing, children's penny whistles echo through my head. No one really knows. It used to be I'd sing and swear my awkward thoughts into the air to the echo of silent applause. No longer so. Now I'm gonna break the rules of music composition with lots of chords and narrow market vision. And every sound I hear is sweet music to my ear. I'm gonna break the rules of music composition with lots of chords and narrow market vision. And every sound I hear is sweet music to my ears. And every sound I make is just another way I'll sing out your name. La 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 la.
Hey, thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed that song that I wrote in circa 2006, 2005, and then re-recorded just for this guitar. Some other editor's notes about it is that the bass guitar is also made from reclaimed wood and reclaimed closet doors and is available for sale at newperspectivesmusic.com. And the drum kit I used was also made from reclaimed closet doors. There's a video about that on this channel. However, that kit is mine. That is not for sale. This guitar is not for sale yet, although it will be eventually. As it's a prototype, I like to hang on to them for another few weeks to months to make sure everything goes well. And I think this is a product that's worth pursuing. I'd love to know if you agree with me and if you would be interested in seeing guitars like this appear for sale. Now, another great way, if you want to support my channel, besides over on patreon.com/TimSway or shopping at any of my stores, another great way would be to download this song. I made it available over at newperspectivesmusic.com for just $1 for a download. And that way it's like one download's worth like 100,000 streams or something on Spotify. So this would be a great way that you could support my work if you are so inclined and of the means. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Oh, and go check out, I recorded a song on the baritone guitar, the other one I built alongside this, and that song I actually just wrote this month, unlike this song that's like almost 20 years old. All right, be good.